Let me show you how to set up and manage team drivers in ezLoads. Let's get started. Open the profile of the main driver. This will be the driver designated as the primary contact for the team. In the co-driver drop-down menu, select the second driver to pair with the main driver. Click Save. That's it, the team is now created. You only need to set up the team on the main driver's profile. The system will automatically pair the two drivers. To ensure there are no duplicate or conflicting assignments, a driver can only be a part of one permanent team at a time. Keep in mind that the system does not automatically split rates or deductions between team drivers. If the team's earnings are split 50-50, you'll need to manually adjust their individual pay settings to reflect this. For example, if the team earns 30% of the freight, set each driver's percentage to 15% in their respective profiles. Scheduled payments and deductions must also be set up separately for each driver. How teams appear in dispatch and loads. In the dispatch board or load assignments, team drivers are displayed together with a slash. The main driver will only appear as part of the team, while the co-driver can also be assigned individually if needed. Creating temporary teams. For one-off situations, you can create a temporary team for a specific load. Click the green pencil icon next to Drivers. Select the co-driver for this load. This temporary team applies only to the selected load and won't appear elsewhere. Click the Billing tab if you want to override the pay rate for this specific load. Click the green pencil icon next to the driver payable, select Override, enter the new rate, and save the changes. Breaking a team. To disband a permanent team, go to the main driver's profile. In the co-driver dropdown, select an empty line and save. The team is now dissolved. Existing load records will remain unchanged, but all future loads will treat the drivers as separate. Finally, settlements for team drivers are created individually. Each driver will have their own settlement, ensuring clear and accurate pay management. And that's it. That's how you manage team drivers in ezLoads. It's simple, efficient, and gives you full control over team setups and payments. Need extra help? Reach our support team at support@ezloads.net. Enjoy using ezLoads.